Anthony Grant is a professional footballer who plays as a midfielder for League One side Swindon Town. Grant began his career at Chelsea, progressing through the youth ranks before making his first team debut in 2005. He went on 4 loans during his time at Chelsea. Oldham Athletic in 2006, before spending the 2006-2007 season at Wycombe Wanderers. He then joined Luton Town on a loan in November 2007, spending a month with the club. Grant later joined Southend United in January 2008, a loan until the end of the 2007-2008 campaign. He signed for Southend on a permanent basis ahead of the 2008-2009 season and spent 4 seasons with the club. In June 2012, Grant signed for Stevenage on a free transfer. After a season at Stevenage, Grant joined Crewe Alexandra. He remained with Crewe for 2 years and moved on to Port Vale in June 2015. He was voted Port Vale's Player of the Year in the 2015-2016 season, before being sold on to Peterborough United in January 2017. He was bought by Shrewsbury Town in August 2018 and signed with Swindon Town in January 2020, following a spell on loan. Swindon Town went on to win the League 2 title at the end of the 2019-2020 season, and Grant was named as the club's Player of the Season.